Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Who we missing? Okay. Shalom, shalom. What it is, y'all? Check the view out though. Yeah, it's like that. It's day 2. I'm about to go hit the gym real quick. I had to make sure y'all see the view though. Y'all about yeah. I hit the gym real quick. About to go get it in, get some cardio in. You know, usually on the day like today, it's a stretch day. Really, I stretch my body, but I had already stretched like the day before yesterday, so I can stretch again. I might end up stretching and do cardio, but I'm about to go do some more cardio. Definitely got it's a workout because I've been eating. I know it's day 2, but I've been eating, and it's day 2. I'm about to eat. See, the main thing about being on the cruise is a lot of people coming for the food, so you can eat all day. So yeah, yeah. Still got a little yawning in me, but I'm about to go get it in, do some cardio. You know, try to at least get my calories down a little bit. You know, because I'm gonna eat. I might cardio tonight too. I might cardio tonight also.
I ain't going.
But Streak, what are you doing? You not ready? I'm tapping with y'all because this lady right here been getting ready for like an hour now. How hard it is to find a workout outfit, I don't know. You ever seen somebody walk around in a circle real fast, act like they going somewhere? Yeah, that's her. But y'all gonna see a little bit part of the workout. Catch you in a sec. We supposed to be going to the gym, y'all. I don't know what's going on right now. So you can get up off me.
I want my watch charged.
And look, I'm about to leave that watch. Get up off me. Y'all, we finally walking up. Well, I thought it was walking out of the room. Supposed to be headed to the gym. Breakfast already up. Look at it. I thought you had to go in person, so. Checking the elevator. It's 9th floor.
Cardio as we walk.
All right, we'll do it then. We walking. Anything is possible. We want to walk all the way up. Look at him. Let's try it. I'm trying. Get your lawyer. Hello. Didn't get the workout. The gym was swole. Now, if I would have got up with my usual schedule at 6 o'clock when I was gonna go in there.
That's not true, you guys. She said it was busy then.
But somebody made me late. I'm sure it wouldn't have been that busy. Somebody made me late. But now, I guess I just go eat some food.
Yeah, come on, hey, let's go eat.
There you go. Where you from?
India.
India. Big up India. Where you from?
From Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
All right.
You
Big
have
up.
a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look me up, man. Business Things. BIZZNESS Things. TINGZ.
How many followers you have?
All right.
How many?
5 something. I just started. Well, I ain't just started. I started like a year ago, but I'm like trying to build it up now. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Good morning, welcome, washi washi.
Washi washi. We're gonna find the real food though. don't know. We're gonna find our table first. Got good grits. Okay. Going in, y'all. You know it was put fire to the swine. We don't eat that swine. Shamika, you eating pork? Oh my, I'm about to kick you out because we don't eat that. You gotta get kicked out. Might get. So we just finished eating breakfast, and check this out. Right above the breakfast, why is the light blinking? What is blinking? There's a track upstairs. I could have went running. The second floor? I could have went running. It's all good though. I'm gonna go ahead, go iron my clothes. I'm gonna go back up there and go. I'm gonna at least go walking. I'm gonna go walking at least.
Hello, excuse me.
So yeah, so we at with it. Now we up here. We said we about to go run this little track. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even know if I can post this. I might have to talk over this, but they playing music. But we're gonna see something. Good little running. Good run. Excuse me. Are you supposed to be working out? What you doing?
I did over a mile.
Good job, good job. That's what I'm talking about. MVP.
Okay. All right. So the way it works, the last
Six pack
person
coming.
to bring back the item.
A little bit of something. Mix. This literally how my diet is. Good movies. What's up, y'all? We getting ready. We're getting ready for the captain's dinner. They say come stepping, so we know we're gonna come stepping. You know, with the Chambers, man. You know, we gonna come stepping. So you see me. I'm always in green. Your boy in go mode. You know we go already, man. Yeah, man. Really hard, man. Him see him one. Sure not, boy. Yeah.
Excuse me. Is it that far?
I don't remember. Hello.
How you doing?
Who we missing?
You
Okay.
can sit right here. That's fine.
No, they missing three people. Oh no, this is a different family. So we got dinner, took some pictures. My wife said dinner wasn't enough, so we're going upstairs on another side, go get some food.
Waiting for a train, was feeling nearly Bobby the harpoon out of my dirty.
Alright, y'all, that's day 2. This is video as it is, man. We're gonna end it right there. We about to actually, it's about 8 o'clock. We about to go watch. What we about to go do?
Watch the Broadway show.
We about to go watch a Broadway show. But I don't think I'm gonna record it. If I do, it'll be on here. But I appreciate you guys for watching, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You know what I mean? But today, overall, today was a good day. Today was a good day. I didn't record everything, but I got a lot. We watched a little contest, the sexiest man contest. Pause. You know, it's all in entertainment. They was doing some, trying to act like they the best looking guy or whatever. I don't know, something like that. What else we did today? We watched a movie in the movie theater. Today went by pretty fast actually, and then we got dressed up for the dinner, of course, the captain's dinner. You know, best dress. I won best dress. They don't have no like award or nothing like that, but I know I won best dress. My wife said, hurt him. I said, no. I don't want to hurt him. I want to kill him. So I killed him. Flyest guy in the building. You know how I go. When I real y'all, everybody know. But make sure, thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, dude.